Welcome to the Traders Market Intelligence Report, which is brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. My name is Robert Roy, and this update is for Monday, the 13th of November, 2023. Hope you had a great trading day. Man, it was a day. Let's go ahead and dive right in and see what the heck happened today. Man, on the S&P today, woohoo! We broke it. Yes, we broke this overall downtrend line. Now, we barely closed above it, so the excitement level of we broke through the ice or chipped away at it, that's great, and that's exactly what we want to see. What really is going to make the difference is next week, do we continue to push up or retest and a bounce? Now we've got a real strong directional move. I mean, we're 67, almost 68 points to the upside today. Amazing. When we look at VIX, at fear, right? Fear is back down again. We closed about 14.19 on fear, so nothing as far as the VIX, super low. Super duper low. If we look at our other time frames, we go and look first at a weekly chart, right? You can see overall we're still in the downtrend, but we are up at that upper echelon of that downtrend line, and we did close slightly. Now that's the November candle. We still have 2 weeks left in November, right? A little bit more, 20 days or so. But we still have a lot of time left in November yet that we can still get a bigger or different shaped candle than we have now. Hopefully we get the bull, right? Get above that 44.1869 level is what we're looking for. When we go into a monthly chart, right? Monthly, same thing. We had a very narrow range that we were in as far as our bars. We were sticking to about the same amount we moved from highs to lows on our candles for the last 4 or 5 months. We've done all of that this month in 10 days, right? In 10 days, we've been able to do that. Pushing up to the very top of that level there, right there. So what are we looking for? We've got a couple of key levels to be cognizant of this upcoming week. This downtrend line, of course, which comes off of the highs on July 27th and the highs on September 1st. So if you're trying to duplicate my line exactly, this is just parallel to it, right? So we've got the 4,400 level to the downside if we do break through that lower, or that upper band rather, of our resistance level. We've got the 4,400. This 43.93.57 gone. Doesn't matter anymore. Why? Because we blew through it. We have a higher close at this point now. We have a higher high. We don't need that level, that line any longer. Okay. Ideally, we want to see the moving averages where the 8 is on top. That's pink. The green is in the middle, and the brown is on the bottom. So 8.21.55. We've got 8.55.21. So we're kind of convoluted on the last two, mixed up there, but today compared to yesterday, what a difference a day makes. Just for one lousy day, let me just get rid of that. Let me get rid of that, make it a little bit easier to see things. Just for one lousy day, we had a huge move in the 8 moving average. The 8 moving average above our 55 to give us a great looking setup up to this point. So that's our downside targets. 44.48 is what I'm looking for. And man, if we can get up above this diagonal trend line, this uptrend line, and you cannot really tag that line back to a particular level to say what dates are we pulling that off of. It's not. We've got a line in here, these two fib trend lines. We have another one here that's equidistant, and then this one is equidistant from there. Okay, so they're just parallel lines to that exact same level that we're looking at there. So if we can get above that level and do so by getting above the 44.48 at the same time, man, life is looking good. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Make it a profitable day, and I will see all of you at our next update. Bye for now.